Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple, the heart of blockchain. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can check out the Crypto Growth official partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can check it out by following the link in the description box below to get rebates, discounts, bonuses, and benefits, as well as lowest fees. Check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Hedera and Ripple. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the Hedera and Ripple official handles, the community in real time. Let's go and check Hedera out first. Anything new, any new news, any new information that we can get our hands on. Okay, so Genzio Media. Join us for this Hedera space tomorrow as we discuss what their new asset tokenization studio is ready to build for you. To check out their asset tokenization studio, you guys can check this out. Okay, November 5th, 12 p.m. EST. The heart of the Hedera network explored the enigmatic life of Gralf, the original HBAR meme, CentX_IO, innovative features and unwavering commitment, and Headstarter.org's pivotal role as ecosystem accelerator in partnership with Hashpack app. Awesome, the heart of Hedera. And both Ripple and Hedera want to become the heart of blockchain. Thus, the title comes from there. Okay. Excited to announce Hedera as a sponsor of Blockchain for Europe Summit 2024. And it is a gold sponsor, guys. Hedera is trying to forge partnerships all over the place, to be honest. It is awesome. Their eco-friendly high-speed hashgraph tech is paving the way for blockchain's future. Welcome, Hedera. Okay. I saw a really good post over here about Hedera. Let me share with you guys. We're going to be looking at the technicals in a moment. Where was it? Yeah. A thread of HBAR news to start your week on a positive note. Let's check this out. Okay. Number 1, Bonzo Finance went live on Hedera mainnet October 28th, and they have already hit 3 million USD total value locked. Let's go Bonzo Finance on the road to fulfilling its mission of becoming the liquidity layer of Hedera. Awesome. Number 2, registration for smart node runners opens today. That is great. Major announcement. 8th Suite ecosystem update. After months of development, we're unveiling something revolutionary. The rumors were true, and it is even bigger than imagined. Now, this one was great. Chainlink CCIP, if you do not know, Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol. Chainlink is trying to become that bridge and connection between legacy systems and blockchain. It is great, and it is being integrated on Hedera. HBAR Foundation has joined Chainlink Scale with Chainlink data feeds now live on Hedera testnet. Additionally, Chainlink CCIP is being integrated on Hedera. This is a really great collaboration. I really like both of these projects, and I cover them both. So for those of you that do not know about Chainlink, you're missing out on a lot of stuff, a lot of innovation. Nairobi Securities Exchange joins the governing council. Now, this was the news that is ongoing in the community. Look at this. We are excited to announce that the Nairobi Securities Exchange NSE, Kenya's principal securities exchange, has joined the Hedera Governing Council as part of its commitment to digitalize RWAs and expedite tokenization of securities in Kenya's capital market. If you do not know, tokenization is really gaining ground in Africa, in Middle East as well as in Africa. Africa is trying to basically innovate their infrastructure, their financial infrastructure, and they want to use blockchain to do that. And states such as South Africa, Kenya, they are paving the way forward. And this one is a really great news. Nairobi being the capital of Kenya, their exchange commission is trying to, it has become a part of Hedera's governing council. And if you do not know, this is Hedera connecting with the government of Kenya. Basically, Nairobi Securities Exchange is basically affiliated or associated with the government of Kenya. It has networks over there, so directly or indirectly, Hedera is connecting with Kenya's government. So this is a really great news over here. Nairobi Securities Exchange, building the future together, the Hedera Council. This is how much people, or the governments believe in Hedera. This is great. A new HIP that will Hedera onboarding so much, that will make Hedera onboarding so much easier. Okay. Conspiracy meets Da Vinci in a polyglot mine. The hash graph on SilkSwap DeFi is where you can find. Okay. Single-sided HST staking is now live. Justin Atwell joins the HBAR Foundation team. Hey everyone, starting Monday, I'll be working for HBAR Foundation. I'm really excited to be working on the Sustainable Index Fund and many other exciting initiatives. So welcome, Mr. Justin. Brandon says goodbye to the weekly Hashgraph Enthusiast show. Dead Pixel citing IRL. Earthlink's City Mint will be happening on November 27th. A really great thread over here we have, guys. Hello Future Live will be going down in Dallas on December 12th. Plaza's beta version v0.1.1 is right around the corner. Really interesting news happening with Hedera, and I really give shout out to Mr. Timothy. Let me repost this to give my shout out in a way. So let's see what's happening with Ripple official handle, guys. Anything new that's happening that might interest us? The Q3 24 XRP markets report is now live. Last quarter saw major milestones and partnerships, including the ETH ETF launch, rising speculation around the US presidential election, and the announcement of RLUSD exchange partners and advisory board. Let us open this in a new tab. Note, at times Ripple supports or transfers XRP to third parties like ETPs and trusts. In these cases, a reduced XRP amount may return to escrow that month. Until anticipated for broader market entry, this XRP will be reported as XRP held by Ripple. As demand for digital assets grows, secure custody solutions like Ripple Custody are must-have for banks. Our Digital Asset Custody Guide offers a blueprint for managing digital assets to unlock revenue and drive customer trust in this 20 trillion market. We are not talking about merely billion or hundreds of billion when it comes to projects such as Hedera and Ripple. We're talking about trillions of dollars, guys. We're talking about these institutional giants. We're talking about banks. We're talking about multinational organizations, institutions. Let's see this report over here. Q3 2024 XRP Markets Report, November 1st, 2024. Okay, so Ripple publishes the quarterly XRP markets report to provide transparency and updates on the company's views on the state of crypto markets and relevant XRP ledger and XRP related announcements. As an XRP holder, Ripple believes in proactive communication and transparency and urges others in the industry to foster open communication, build trust, and raise the bar industry-wide. Key highlights. What are the key highlights? XRP status as not a security remains the law of the land. Despite the SEC appeal, guys, which they did in terms of Judge Torres's ruling that XRP is not a security, we can agree to this that XRP has not been proved as security, so automatically making it basically not a security. It hasn't been proved that it is a security. Ripple filed its Form C in response to the SEC's appeal, which does not concern whether XRP is a security. Ongoing headwinds from the SEC suggest that its lawsuit against Ripple is a key factor impacting XRP's price. And in my opinion, Ripple can even uh, claim a lawsuit, or basically they can claim that SEC has caused a lot of the problems for the investors, for the Ripple as a company, and they might claim that they should be given their due, and for the time lost and everything. Let's see how it goes. It might happen once this SEC crackdown and pressure, if XRP basically sustains it. It might go on the front foot against the SEC in the future. Let's see. Institutional interest in XRP investment products continued on a very positive trajectory, with Bitwise, Canary, and 21 Shares filing S1s for XRP ETFs. Leading issuer Grayscale launched on XRP Trust and filed to convert a multi-coin fund that includes XRP into an ETF. Awesome summary over here, guys. SEC lawsuit, XRP is not a security, remains the law of the land. Okay. This is great. Ripple filed its Form C. Regulatory developments. As far as regulatory developments is concerned, crypto remained a key issue in the upcoming US elections, with a wave of crypto-friendly lawmakers poised to usher in a new bipartisan group of industry-friendly lawmakers across the House and Senate. Let's see how the elections play out for XRP and the crypto market as a whole. Let's see how it goes. Deep dive XRP markets. For this report, Ripple uses market metrics from public sources, including CC data, Bloomberg, and Refinitiv Icon. Taking a look at XRP markets in Q3, XRP volumes were elevated as average daily volumes were at $600 to $700 million on top tier exchanges. Awesome. This is great, guys. What else do we have? The state of the XRP ledger, native smart contract features. The main pathway for adding programmability to the XRPL is through the amendment process, which requires over 80% of validators to agree. The XRPL EVM sidechain. This sidechain allows developers to deploy smart contracts quickly without the need for network-wide agreements. XRP, guys, once given the green light, I think that it can provide a phenomenal performance in the future in terms of value and in terms of price. Even in terms of value, it is trying to disrupt trillions of dollars of market, guys. Let's see how it goes. Both Hedera and Ripple, they are aiming to become the heart of blockchain. What do you guys think about them? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.